I don't know, I hope this is gonna show up well enough. I messed up and I already installed one, and then I remembered that I was supposed to record a video. But I'm bending the positive leg. Because this right here is the positive pad, according to the directions I was given. There. That should work. Just manipulate him a little bit. That's working pretty good. Oops, son of a bitch. I think that's about right. That's the negative. There's the positive. Oops, careful now, don't break him. See, and then I also put flux on the pads, and I like to add fresh solder to the pads, especially since these are a surface mount. Now, if this was a through hole, I wouldn't do this, because a through hole, you obviously, you know, you need the leg to go through the hole. So, yep, the positive is right there, which is this one. The only part that's going to be a pain in the keister is probably the voice recording deal. Oops, that didn't solder well. So you got to watch out for that sometimes too. There. That one should be good. Oops, don't touch the solder iron with your finger. There. Well, that's those three. Now, this goes back in here. Perfect. That ought to work pretty good, I think. They look about the same height as the original bulbs. Maybe try to adjust him a little bit. But see, they're gonna light up through these. So I would assume that would light it up good.